First things first, for all the people that hate germs and all the people that want to come in here and say, oh, I don't care, you're gonna wipe down the whole ship? Yeah, I'm gonna wipe down the whole entire ship. Every single thing on the ship, I'm gonna wipe it down. I'm gonna be here for a whole week, guys. I got a whole week to wipe down everything. Everything, door handles, doorknobs, everything. The closet, the other door handle. Do you guys wipe down your rooms? Let me know. I gotta switch out my thing, but you gotta wipe everything down, guys. I wanna know where's all the people that say, oh, what are you scared of germs for? You might as well wipe the whole ship down. Yeah, I might as well. I'm gonna be here for a whole week, so I might as well wipe down everything. Wipe down the phone, wipe down everything. Get you some antibacterial wipes. Wipe some stuff down. Oh wait, I didn't do over here yet. Got a new wipe. Wipe some stuff down. Move that out the way. Wipe some stuff down. Are you one of the people that is safe like me and you wipe stuff down? Or are you one of the people that says, oh, why are you wiping stuff down? You're gonna get germs anyways. Well, guess what? I'm not gonna get them in here because I'm gonna wipe everything down. I wanna know. Come for me in the comments. I wanna have some fun. Let's talk.